Just launched your book, but you're unsure how to promote it online without hiring a whole design team? Let me show you how to market your book visually using Canva, even if you're not a designer. I'm Brittany from the Creator Lab, where faith and creativity meet smart strategy. Let's get into it. Step 1. Create your book brand kit in Canva. Start by building a simple book brand kit. If your book has a cover, use the same colors and fonts in Canva to keep everything cohesive. Upload your book cover, and then you want to choose 2 to 3 brand colors and pick fonts that match the aesthetic of your book. This will save you time and make all of your content look professional, even if you're DIYing it. Another quick tip: stick to your book's aesthetic so that people start to recognize it every time that they see your content. Step 2. Design 3 core graphics to promote your book. Here are 3 plug and play designs that you need. Number 1, a book mockup post. Use a phone, iPad, or a 3D book template. Add the title, short tagline, and a call to action like available now. Number 2, a quote graphic from the book. Choose a short, impactful sentence. Add your handle or your website as well. Number 3, a testimonial or a review template. Even one review from a friend or an early reader works. A bonus tip: search book launch Instagram or author media kit in Canva for pre-made templates that you can tweak fast. Step number 3, use Canva to create a mini launch kit. Create a folder called Launch Week, and then you want to build 5 to 7 pieces of content. These can include countdown graphics, behind the scenes writing moments, book trailer snippets, and you can even use Canva's video editor. And another thing you want to add is a meet the author slide with your photo and story. Step number 4, make a simple book trailer or reel. You don't need Final Cut or Premiere. Canva has templates for reels and YouTube shorts. Well, some things that you can add would be moving book mockups, text animations, music, background music, a powerful hook like, this book changed the course of my life, or what I wish I knew 5 years ago. Here's an idea: turn your book's intro paragraph into a spoken voiceover and overlay it onto a visual Canva reel. You don't need to be a graphic designer to show up powerfully online. Canva makes it easy to market your book with excellence without the stress. If you loved this, subscribe to the Creator Lab for more content like this, and let me know in the comments what's your book about. I'd love to support. We'll see you next time on the Creator Lab.